Love, what did you do to me? My only hope is to let life stretch out before me and break me on this lonely road. I made up many things, but I'm not what you are made of. Only now do I see the big picture, but I swear these scars are fine. Only you could have hurt me in this perfect way tonight. I might be blind, but you told me the difference between mistakes and what you just meant for me. Don't say you ever loved me. Don't say you ever cared.